Namaste children, welcome to today's class. So in the previous class we studied what is a polynomial, how do you identify the polynomial in one variable, that is the introduction part of the polynomials chapter. Today we are going to discuss types of polynomials based on the number of terms and based on the degree of the polynomial. Yes. So types of polynomials based on the number of terms. So they are classified as monomial. So what is a monomial? The word itself it indicates mono means one. Monomial. So what is a monomial? A polynomial having only one term. Polynomial with one term is known as a monomial. So polynomial with one term. Is called a monomial. Polynomial with one term is called a monomial. Examples you can write here. 7. It is having one term. X, one term. 7y, one term. Minus 4x, one term. Minus 4z square. Minus 4z square. All these are monomials as they have only one term. Monomial is a polynomial having only one term is called a monomial. Next, second type of polynomial is binomial. You have come across the word binomial. Bi means two. Bisector, divided into two equal parts. Binomial number system. Bi means two. So having two digits 0 and 1, that number system is known as binomial number system. So here binomial, bi means two. A polynomial having two terms is known as a binomial. So polynomial with two terms. Polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Examples. Yes, x plus 2 is a binomial. Y minus 7 is a binomial. X square plus 7x is a binomial. Now, a square minus ab is also a binomial. So what is a binomial? It is a polynomial with two terms. Examples: x plus 2, y minus 7, x square plus 7x, a square minus ab, etc. Now the third type of polynomials are, yes, the third type of three terms are there. Trinomial. See the word triangle. What is a triangle? A polygon with three sides is known as a triangle. So tri means it is 3. So now can you guess what is a trinomial? Yes, it is a polynomial with three terms is known as a trinomial. Polynomial with three terms. Is called a trinomial. Examples. You can give examples. X square plus x plus 3. A square plus 2b minus 7. You can give a number of examples. Now, x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square, etc. All these are examples of a trinomial. Now, the fourth type of polynomials are quadrinomial. So what is a quadrinomial? Yes, the next. A polynomial with four terms is known as a quadrinomial. See the quadrilateral having four sides. Quadrants. So the plane sphere is divided into four quadrants by the to vertical line and the horizontal line. So here quadri represents 4. So quadrinomial means a polynomial with 4 terms. Polynomial with 4 terms. With 4 terms is called a quadrinomial. A polynomial with 4 terms is called a quadrinomial. Examples. Yes, examples. X to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x is one example of a quadrinomial. Here 4 terms are x cube, x to the power of 3, x square and x. 4 different terms. You can give one more example. A to the power of 5 plus a square plus a plus 7. So these are some of the examples of quadrinomial. So based on the number of terms, polynomials are classified as a monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial respectively, having 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms and 4 terms. So like this is the classification of polynomials based on the number of terms. Now we will discuss based on the degree of the polynomial. These polynomials are classified as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Biquadratic is also there. That we will discuss in the higher classes. So now the BD what it is based on the degree of the polynomial. Based on degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So polynomials are classified as a linear polynomial. Yes. What is the degree of the polynomial, children? Yes, it is highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial. Yes, we have covered in the previous class. Now even we will revise what is the degree of the polynomial, and based on the degree of the polynomial, these polynomials are classified as linear polynomial. The first one is linear polynomial. So what is a linear polynomial? Yes, a polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So degree 1. Degree 1. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. It is called a linear polynomial. So examples you can write here. Examples of linear polynomials. Yes, x plus 2. Here the degree variable here it is x and its power is 1. Here 2 also can be written as what? 2 as 2 into x power 0. Here the power is 0. For this variable power is 0 and here it is 1. There is no number which is always 1. So hence it is a linear polynomial with the degree 1. So you can give more examples. Y minus 7, 4x plus 7, 4x plus 7 and still you can give it is a minus 8. All these are what? Linear polynomials. Linear polynomials. Not only that, x is also linear polynomial having only 1 term. Here two terms are there. Linear polynomial. N number of examples you can give for linear polynomial. Now the general form of linear polynomial is the general form of or standard form. General form or standard form of a linear polynomial is a linear polynomial. What is the general form of a linear polynomial? Yes, it is ax plus b. Ax plus b where a is not equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, 0 into x is 0. We will have only constant. Its power, that is the variable power, it is 0. Then it is not a linear polynomial. Condition, what is the condition? It is a is not equal to 0 and a is x coefficient, b is the constant. So in this, where a is called what it is? A is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x and b is called what we call b. B is the constant term. B is constant term. Yes, it is constant ax plus b is the general form or standard form of the linear polynomial, where a is the coefficient of x and b is the constant term. Now, what we call a polynomial with a degree 2? What we call a polynomial with a degree 2? Yes, what we call a polynomial with a degree 2? Yes, that is the second category. It is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Yes, a polynomial with a degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with a degree 2. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Is called a quadratic polynomial. Yes, is called a quadratic polynomial. So degree 2 should be there, then that polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. Examples. Yes, you can give x square plus x. Here the highest power is 2, therefore its degree is 2. X square plus x is a quadratic polynomial. Minus 7y square plus 4, this is also a quadratic polynomial with the highest power 2. And not only that, yes, a square minus 4 is also a quadratic polynomial. And also it is ax square plus bx plus c is also a quadratic polynomial, and this is called the general form or standard form of the quadratic polynomial, where a is not equal to 0. That will continue. So what is a quadratic polynomial? Here it is a polynomial with a degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial, and here are some of the examples. Is it clear, children? Now we studied about the quadratic polynomial. Now the standard form or the general form. The general form of a, the general form or standard form or standard form of a quadratic polynomial is the general form of a quadratic polynomial is, it is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Again, if a is equal to 0, then this total term will become 0. 0 everything is 0. We'll get bx plus c, which is a linear polynomial. So here a is not equal to 0, where a is what? Here a is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, and b is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, and c is constant term. Constant term. What is c here? Is constant term. So the general form, it contains ax square plus bx plus c for a quadratic polynomial. So it is having maximum 3 terms are there. Ax square is one term, bx is one term, c is also one term. Now you see here, ax square plus bx plus c is what? A quadratic polynomial, that is general form, where a is not equal to 0. It is having 3 terms. Now ax square plus bx, it is also a quadratic polynomial because the power is 2. That is the degree is 2. And ax square plus c, this is also a quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. That is the degree of this polynomial is 2. Simply ax square, this is also a quadratic polynomial. It means a quadratic polynomial will contain 1 term or 2 terms or 3 terms. And we have seen the examples of a quadratic polynomial, and more we will discuss about the quadratic polynomial in class 10th. Now we discuss the third type of polynomial. Yes. What is cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 3 cubic. Cube is having how many dimensions? It is a three-dimensional figure, length, breadth and height, like a cuboid, length, breadth and height. So here cubic represents degree 3. So cubic polynomial means a polynomial with degree 3. A polynomial with degree 3. A polynomial with degree 3 is called a polynomial with degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Is called a cubic polynomial. It is called a cubic polynomial. Examples you can write. Before that, see the general form of a cubic polynomial is the general form. GF means general form, or SF standard form. Standard form of a cubic polynomial is a cubic polynomial is it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. The general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here the degree is 3 because the highest power is 3, 2 and here 1, and for d it is a constant. Its variable x and its power it is 0. So the highest power is 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. So the general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Now what is a? A is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x cube. A is coefficient of x cube and b is coefficient of x square. C is coefficient of x and d is the constant term. Now b is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. C is coefficient of x. C is coefficient of x and d is constant term. D is constant term. Yes. A is coefficient of x cube and b is coefficient of x square. C is coefficient of x. D is constant term. Now examples. Examples of cubic polynomials. Yes. Examples of cubic polynomials. Yes, it is 7x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 4 is a cubic polynomial. Minus y cube plus 7y square minus 4 is a cubic polynomial. Yes, is a cubic polynomial. And you can take 4a cube minus 4a plus 4 is a cubic polynomial. All these are examples of cubic polynomials. As I explained for the quadratic polynomial, as quadratic polynomial it may contain one term or two terms or three terms. Similarly, for a cubic polynomial also, maximum it contains 4 terms. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is one form as it is containing 4 terms. Next you see ax cube plus bx square plus cx. 3 terms are there where we do not have here the constant term. Similarly, ax cube plus bx square plus d. This is also a cubic polynomial where we do not find x term. Similarly, ax cube plus bx square. This is also what? A cubic polynomial. Ax cube. This is also a cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus d, and this is also a cubic polynomial. Not only this, ax cube plus cx is also minimum one term. So that it should have its degree should be 3. So this is about the cubic polynomial, and it is types of polynomials based on the number of terms as well as it is the degree of the polynomial. Is it clear, children? Now we will see the application part of the types of polynomials. Here, an example like these questions will be asked. Write a polynomial, a monomial with degree 10. A monomial with degree 10. Yes, how do we write? A monomial with degree 10. With degree 10. So a monomial with degree 10. Monomial means it should have only one term. And its degree should be what? 10. Degree means the highest power. Yes, x is a monomial. Do you agree? X is a monomial. And degree 10 means e power 10. X to the power of 10 is a monomial with degree 10. Only one we can write? No, we can write many. You see here. Minus 4x to the power of 10. This is also a monomial with degree 10. 3 by 4 y to the power of 10. This is also a monomial with degree 10. Now, a monomial with degree 100. A monomial with degree 100. With degree 100. So how do you write? Say, take one variable. Take one variable and its power should be what it is? 100. X to the power of 100, and it should contain only one term. X to the power of 100. Now, this is one example. Still you can write 4a to the power of 100 or monomials with degree 100. Now, a binomial with a degree 99. Binomial means two terms should be there. Yes, p plus 2 is a binomial. P is one term, 2 is the other term. But degree means the highest power. It should be 100. So 99. That is 9. P to the power of 99 plus 2 is a binomial with degree 99. Or x to the power of 99 minus 3x. This is also a binomial with a degree 99. How do we write? Write a binomial and keep the degree as 99. We can write a binomial with a degree 99. Like this, not only binomial, a trinomial with a degree 100. Like this, we can also write a different one more example. We'll see for trinomial. So, a trinomial with a degree, a trinomial with a degree 78. Trinomial means 3 terms. Write 3 terms with some variable x plus, or it can write x plus 3. That is, you can keep 78. X to the power of 78 and x plus 3. X to the power of 78 plus x plus 3. Write a trinomial. But see that the highest power should be 78. You can write one more. Yes, y to the power of 78 minus 4y plus 3. It is a trinomial with a degree 78. Is that clear, children? Yeah. Now we'll discuss an example to identify linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, and what it is a cubic polynomial. Identify linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials from the following. So you are given some polynomials. From this you identify which are linear polynomials, which are quadratic polynomials, which are cubic polynomials. Yes, x cube is one polynomial, x plus 7 is one polynomial, p to the power of p square plus 2p minus 7 is one polynomial, polynomial. 7x minus 7 is one polynomial. See from here different polynomials are given and you have to identify which is linear polynomial and which is quadratic polynomial, which is a cubic polynomial. Yes, linear polynomial. What are linear polynomials? A polynomial with a degree 1. A polynomial with a degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Identify here degree 3, degree 1. Yes, x plus 1 is a linear polynomial. Next, square is there, highest power 2 is there, highest power 3, highest power 2, highest power 1. So this is also a linear polynomial, that is 7x minus 7. Now quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomial. So what is a quadratic polynomial? Yes, the highest power should be 2, that is degree is 2. Here we have p square plus 2p minus 7 plus 2p minus 7, and the second quadratic polynomial is 4a square plus 2. 4a square plus 2. Like this we will write the quadratic polynomial. Next, identify the cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials. So what are the cubic polynomials which are there in this? Cubic polynomials means power 3, that is the degree 3. The first one is here we have x cube is one cubic polynomial. The second cubic polynomial is y cube minus 3y square. So like this we will identify the different types of polynomials from a set of polynomials. So what we discussed today is types of polynomials based on the number of terms, based on the degree, and its application also we studied. Is it clear, children? Thank you very much.